Alright guys, so this is going to be my Christmas model unboxing. I've already taken it out of the box that it was shipped in, but I haven't taken it out of this box yet, so I figured we would go ahead and save it for this. So I got the R936C, or the Liebherr R936C, made by NZG for Christmas. I saw a lot of pictures and reviews on it, so I decided I really liked it, so I went ahead and got that for my Christmas present. So we'll go ahead and start with the unboxing, I guess. Which I'll have pictures up on my Facebook page of this if you want to see more. That's the bottom, I guess. Whoa. I'm gonna move the camera a bit closer. I recently got it to where I can get my camera to focus a lot better now too, so I can take better pictures and better video. So let me go and take this out. Okay, this is right here. This is just extra track links and pins for the bucket and. Wow, that was amazing. I'm trying to get to the point where I can get this without. Oh, there we go. Okay. That bucket on is massive. Alright. Wow. I can already tell I like this model a lot. I'm gonna move the camera down just a bit more. Alright. Alright, so I got some masking tape right around here. Wow, that has some smooth cylinders right there. Wow. Alright, tape on the. It's supposed to come off. Oh, we'll see. Okay. I've always liked these NZG Liebherr models. I got one, and I want more now. So this. Wow. That is amazing. There's a bucket on it. Oh, that's all why the bucket is. That bucket's massive. Compared to the 330 bucket. It's huge. Wow. Alright, so I guess that'll be it for this unboxing. It's pretty quick, but well, that's probably my favorite model so far, to tell you the truth. Yeah. So there's that. There'll be pictures on my Facebook page if you want to see that. It'll be on here by the time, or it'll be on there by the time this is up, because I always push pictures there first. So if you guys want to check out there and see these pictures before the unbox, or after you check the unboxing, you can. So I'll see you later.